Okay, so bro, let me show you this thing very quickly. What do you think when you want to sound like a pro in your pentatonic shape? Okay, when you're trying to play your pentatonic stick and you want to sound very pro, I believe in this case system, you need to know how to improvise your pentatonic very well, how to link your notes, make your notes sounds better and sounds good. Okay, so in case like this, I want to do this video in the key of D. This is the key of D. We have D here also. At first, you know your pentatonic now. You know your pentatonic shape, which is the do, re, mi, sol, la, do. Okay, so you want to sound better. You want to sound like pro. Most time, most people confused about the pentatonic shape because when you talk about the pentatonic shape, you can get the note at any corner or any position on the fretboard as long as you are playing the same key. Okay, like if you're playing the pentatonic here, do re mi sol la. We have do re mi sol la. Yeah, also. Okay, now this is what I mean. Do re mi sol la sol mi re do la sol mi re. You see the connection system now. I'm connecting the note from down to up. Okay, so with that you can use it to improvise and solo over maybe a kind of la mi, just your maybe your B minor chord going to your D minor 7 or D major 7, the B minor chord to D. That is your la mi. Okay, but the main thing is just understanding the connection of the pentatonic, which is the. So now when you have do re mi sol la do re mi sol la la sol mi re do la sol. Okay. So now if you want to do a kind of a rundown. You understand? Stuff like that. Now you can use it to make some good melodic soloing. Understand? Stuff like that. When you had some pro soloing so nice, soloing so effective. Okay, that is how they solo. So stuff like that. Now you can make some connection toward between this shape and this shape. Okay, you can make some connection between this shape and this shape, then and this shape also. Then this is what I'm trying to say now. Now you can come to this la sol. La sol la mi re do la. Okay. Stuff like that. Now, okay, so stuff like that you can start applying them on your soloing. Make sure you sound like low stuff like you can even equally start from your maybe your solar here also. Okay. Okay, and you're going to sound better. Okay, so see you in the next video. Whatever you don't understand, get back to me, comment section. All right, thanks.